All right, good afternoon. This is Jeremy with Switzer and Son Select Auto and RV Sales. I have one of our customers here that just purchased a new to him 2017 Crusader. Could you tell us what your name is and where are you from today, sir?
I'm David Campbell. I'm from Depew, Oklahoma. We got burned out by a fire, so we went looking.
David, how did you originally hear about our company?
We found you on the internet.
Fantastic. Probably Google?
Yeah, exactly.
That's awesome. What did you most like about working with Switzer and Son RV?
Jeremy and them have been ultimately patient with us. Like I said, we got burned out. It was a long road to hoe to try to get this done. They have bent over backwards for us. They've done everything we could have asked.
David, we can't thank you enough for doing business with us. On a scale of 1 to 10, how happy are you with the process here working with Switzer and Son RV?
I give them a 10 out of 10, folks.
Fantastic. Would you recommend us to friends and family?
Oh, without a doubt.
David, thank you for you and your wife and the business you've done with us.
Thank
Have a great
you.
one.